Hi everyone, in this video we're going to look at simplifying some algebraic expression. So for 1 mark in a GCSE exam, it's very common to get questions that are similar to this. So we want to simplify 5 lots of x plus 7 lots of y plus 14 lots of x plus 8 lots of y. So remember, we can only simplify like terms together, so the same unknown value. So 5 lots of x and 14 lots of x we could bring together. So the strategy that we used in class was we've got 5 lots of x, and then we're going to circle any other value of x, including the sign in front of it. So in this instance, plus 14x. Therefore, we can say we've got 5 lots plus 14 lots, which leaves me with 19 lots of x. Then I've got positive 7 lots of y, and I'm going to do that in a different shape, plus another 8 lots. So I've got 7 lots plus 8 lots. That leaves me with 15 lots of the unknown number y. So we're just going to go through some questions now that are variations of that. So this time I've got 6a, subtract 3a. So that leaves me with 3 lots of a. Then I've got 14 lots of b, take away 17 lots of b. Now, I'm taking away a value larger than what I started with. I'm starting off with 14b, and I'm taking away 17. So I know my answer is going to be negative, and the difference between the two numbers is 3. So this is going to be 3a, take away 3b. So we're just going to look at one further example here. So we've been asked to simplify the following expression. So once more, we're going to identify the unknowns that are the same. So in this case, we have 3a, take away 2a. Now the mistake that I want you to do here is to include this a squared variable in your answer. However, a squared we cannot assume is the same as a. For example, if a was 2, a squared would be 4, and so on. So we treat a squared as its own separate variable. So we would have 7a squared, then 3a take away 2 lots of a is 1 lot of a, and then moving on, 4b plus 2 lots of b is going to be 6 lots of b. We're now going to move on and look at 2 examples where we are multiplying. So this time, the first thing we would do is we'd do 5 times 3 to give me 15. Then we're going to do a squared times a cubed. Now, this is where we need to remember the laws for indices. Bring those two in and say that we are multiplying with the same base number. Therefore, we add the powers, and 2 add 3 is 5. And then I'm going to do the same thing for my unknown number b. So I've got b cubed times b to the power of 5. Again, I have the same base number for 2 indices that are being multiplied together, so we can add the powers. So this is 15a to the power of 5, b to the power of 8. Just going to run through another similar example to that. So 7 times 3 is 21. S to the power of 12 times s to the power of 4 is going to give me s to the power of 16. T to the power of 3 times t to the power of 5 is going to give me t to the power of 8.